Welcome to the Feldenkrais Guild of North America Conference, September 12th through the 14th, 2025. I am Elinor Silverstein, and today I'm here with Dimitri Popolov, and the title of his workshop is Primary Image in the Environment. Dimitri, tell us about your workshop.
Thank you, Eleanor. Honored to be here. So the workshop builds on the concept of primary image introduced by Moshe Feldenkrais. It's a primary image of our bodies made out of 5 cardinal lines, and the movements are done through the movements of these lines. That's the primary focus of attention. And then Denis Leary built on that in his work. I'm continuing that. And then what I try to achieve is to extend the concept of this primary image and connect us with environment through extension of these lines, through beyond the reach of like fingertips and things, and connecting to what we see, what we hear, that these are all teleceptors in Moshe Feldenkrais' own words. So there will be 3 lessons. One is called primary image to refresh that topic. The second would be long lines, extension of the lines. And then the third one would be all about the motion and movements, the clock attack. So, and please come and experience what it's going to be about.
Well, so tell me, Dimitri, how does this help us in our life? Because I can have an image of it, but tell me what your thoughts are.
Well, I'll give a deliberately very simple example, like when we're in a grocery store and we have to navigate our way through that very complex and confusing environment with lots of moving objects around us, and we want to get to a shelf, to a good, to a sale, possibly, quickly, reliably, without collisions. Very simple, and that can be extended to pretty much any situation now in our life. That's our teleceptors and our motion working in tune and together.
What a great way this is for all ages, young, middle, and as we age, for safety.
We do shop, all of us, and to
Wow.
many other things.
Thank you so much, Dimitri. Can hardly wait to meet you at the conference online.
Thank you, Eleanor. Thank you.